Hi everyone, James here from Kingston, Maryland, and I'm back today with another review. We are in the final stages of the FIFA World Cup with a lot of football matches for the last month, which has been great to watch. But one of the standouts off the field is the collaborations between different soccer teams, football teams, nations, and their kind of athletic sponsors. So Nike, Adidas have come out with a bunch of different shoes and clothing and a lot of collaborations, especially Nike have had a bunch with the England team and Palace, Virgil and USA, Pata and the Dutch team, and so on. So in front of me, I have three different variations of kind of the soccer cleats shoes that have been released, all from Nike. Two of them are the Cyroshot, and one is the Travis Scott collab. So we're going to go through them each. We're going to start out with the collaboration with Palace and their Cyroshot. So we'll take a look at that. And then I have the Cyroshot with R10 Rolandinho, and then I'll get to the Phantom Lows with Travis Scott. Okay, so here is the Nike Tempo Cyroshot in collaboration with Palace. So Palace obviously sponsored the England team and the Three Lions. And this concept that they came together this year, there's been a lot of emphasis on kind of soccer style shoes, football style shoes for the streets, for the streetwear side of things. 2 years ago with the Euros, we had kind of like Boots Only Summer, where they came out with Adidas as well as Nike came out with a bunch of different variations of what would essentially be football shoes, football boots, turned into shoes that can be worn kind of on the casual, from like the Predators, the Nike Gatos, and so forth. So what they've done this time is they've taken the shoe that would essentially have the studs on it and kind of given it this kind of clear PVC plasticky base where it would turn what should be studs, which you can kind of see, which I'll take some closer photos of, to then a solid base. So essentially what you should be able to do is kind of like take this plastic off, which obviously you can't, and then you would have a soccer cleat with the actual studs on it. So you can see on the bottom that you kind of see the markings of where those studs should be. So really kind of cool concept. England's colorway, obviously for the most part they play in kind of white with the gray and the blue, but their kind of collab this time was more like of black colorways, gray colorways, red colorways, and silver, which you can kind of see through all the clothing that they kind of wore, and this shoe matches that same color palette. So kind of like a black dark leather with then Palace lettering, embroidery, but into the rubber of the shoelaces and the tongue, but overall like a very clean looking shoe. Obviously when you kind of rock it alongside the other clothing that came with it, with the silver, which is more of the standout color, this is a really nice kind of addition to that. So that is the Palace pair from Nike. So I'm going to put those to the side. Okay, so it's not so much a collaboration with a team, but more as with a singular person. Rolandinho, R10, from Brazil, was an icon, one of the best players out there. Played alongside obviously Roberto Carlos, the other Ronaldo, R9, in kind of one of the more dominant Brazilian teams that we've had in a while. They made Jogo Bonito famous in kind of their style of soccer and so forth, and I believe it was in the 1998 or the 2002 World Cup. He kind of had a pair of Tiempos that were like this white and gold, which were beautiful. So they made that into the same kind of Cyroshot idea, where you kind of see the studs again on the bottom, making it into like a lifestyle shoe. So with this one, really nice clean white, with then the gold detailing. So on one tongue you get the 10, his number 10, R10, and then you get the R obviously for Rolandinho on the other tongue. So super clean. Nice touch also on the back. Have the 5 stars, which I think is the amount of times that Brazil have won the World Cup now. So strange for not to see them make it as far as they should have, but I don't think you're going to come close to that Brazil team for a couple of years now. Something different then. So that is the Cyroshot R10 edition. And then finally, not a Cyroshot, but another collaboration with Travis Scott, who seem to kind of just sell shoes whenever. So let's take these out. We'll take a look. Okay, so here is the Phantom 6 Low Elite Cactus Jack kind of variation. So obviously the big thing that kind of comes out of it is that reverse swoosh that we're now seeing on kind of every Travis Scott model, Cactus Jack model, but comes in this really cool metallic green with like kind of hints of yellow depending on how the light hits it. So a lot lighter than the two Cyroshot. So these probably could actually be used as proper kind of indoor soccer shoes, which I think the other two are more of a casual wear. And these also then came in a studded version too. But really kind of the color's really cool. I mean, I'm not a huge fan of brown, but I mean, these kind of go really well with each other. So we'll see if I end up rocking these or what we do with them. But overall, I think Nike did a great job with the streetwear side of things for this World Cup. Obviously with all the different collaborations with the different nations, but then also some of the other stuff. So I'll take some closer shots of them so you can kind of see the base itself and the other detailings on the shoe itself. But don't forget to hit that subscribe button, follow me along, would really appreciate it. Like, share, comment, and feel free to shoot me any questions that you have. And I'll be back again with another review.
Let's go. I wake up to a little bit of drool on my pillow, feel like it's gonna be a bad day. Yeah, I'm tired of shit, and the coffee ain't hit yet, damn, ain't that great. I don't wanna go to work, cause my boss is a jerk, and I'm not even that paid. I need a change in my life, cause I don't feel alive, and there's nothing that makes me happy. Hold my beer for a minute, I'm about to quit my job, cash in for a ticket. I'm going on a trip and I don't plan to visit. I'm gonna stay there till I feel like I'm winning, and this is just the beginning. I need a big change, help me feel like living. I need a big swing, home runs I'm hitting, and I'll never look back, moving on till I get it all. And we all got dreams, we all want things, but what you gonna do for it? How you gonna move for it? What you gonna be? And do you believe you can do anything? But what you gonna do for it? How you gonna move for it? What you gonna be? Let's go! Hey! Yeah, this is my life, my strife, my right to fight,